Hello guys, welcome back to Verified So and to this video as well. Today I have an interview experience of a married person with 4 kids. So let's look at it. Interview experience: married with 4 kids. I'm married with 4 children and all of us were present at the embassy in Johannesburg for the interview at 7:45 a.m. After all the security checks, the first counter was a local lady who asked for documents: birth certificate, marriage certificate, passport, police clearance, Form I-134 declaration of financial support, original copies, and since I'm from Congo, I had to translate all my French documents into English. The interview itself. The CO, that is the consular officer: what's your name? I gave my name. The consular officer requested that my wife and 4 children come to the window and introduce themselves. They did. The consular officer: how long are you in South Africa and what do you do? Me: since 2004, I have been working in IT and I now am a database administrator at, and he gave his workplace. The CEO: which state will you stay in the United States and why? There are 2 reasons. First, I got a sponsor in the state, and secondly, I have been sending my resume to different companies who are willing to employ me, but they require me to be legal to work in the US. What are you going to do in the US? I will work in the IT and I've already sent my resume to many US companies. The CEO: everything is okay, but you will have to submit additional documents. These are the documents: the high school diploma, the birth certificate for your spouse, medical results. The daughter didn't send them at the time of my interview. The supplemental court order for birth certificate, and it is called in French jugement supplétif à l'acte de naissance. Number 5, and it is written in French, acte de notoriété supplétif à un acte de naissance. And for all Congolese winners, the DR Congo, please go to this link in order to know all civil documents that the US requires. For example, birth certificate is not attestation de naissance but acte de naissance. So for Congolese, these are the required birth documents. And guys, as I have always been telling you, is that you are supposed to visit that link on the second notification letter to follow the embassy in which you're going to take your interview from and know of which exact documents they require. And on top of those documents, the only thing that you're supposed to add is the Form I-134, because that one is not specified there, but many embassies, they end up requesting the support of finance, the finance support document, what we call the affidavit of support, which can either be Form I-134 or your bank statement having sufficient savings to take you through as you start life in the United States. And then finally, this is the timeline of the entire process for this guy. And as we can see, he was case number 18,000, that is for the DV 2022. and he was from Congo Kinshasa, and the interview location was Johannesburg, South Africa. And we see that submitted application on 27th of October 2020 and was selected, or realized he was selected, on 8th of May 2021, and went on to submit the DS260 on 30th of October 2021, and then received the second notification letter on 25th of May 2022, and the medical exam he did on the 11th of July 2022, and the interview was scheduled on 20th of July 2022, but he was put to administrative processing because he had to provide some documents. So the status changed to refused, which was under the 221G, because he was required to submit some extra documents. And then we see on the 1st of August, the documents were pending and were submitted via the DHL. And then on the 18th of August 2022, the status changed to administrative processing, and the embassy consular officer were going through the documents submitted. And then on the 23rd of August 2022, the status changed to issued, and that means that the passports were to remain behind for them to be stamped with the visa. And then on 31st of August 2022, the passports were sent back through the DHL and they were collected. So he had a successful interview process and the visa was approved. So this is the interview experience by someone who was married with 4 children. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope it acts as a motivation, or it has trained some of you. And please, if so, like the video and also subscribe to the channel, and we will have other interview experiences. Let's meet in the next video.